Meaning of Henry Morgan.
Henry Morgan.
Henry Morgan.
Henry Morgan.
Henry Morgan. Henry Morgan was a Welsh privateer, buccaneer, and admiral of the English Royal Navy who lived in the 17th century. He was best known for his daring raids on Spanish treasure ships and settlements in the Caribbean, which earned him great wealth and notoriety. His reputation as a cunning and ruthless pirate has made him a popular figure in literature and media, with many fictional works depicting him as a swashbuckling hero. Today, Henry Morgan is remembered as one of the most successful and infamous pirates of the golden age of piracy.